how to block ads on Android. So hello guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will show you that how you can block ads on your Android phone. So let's get started. So first of all, you'll have to open your settings. So click on the settings, and from here you'll have to go for the Google services. So simply click on this Google, and from here you'll have to move for the options like all services, and here you have to scroll down and find the options like ads. So it's on the privacy and security section. So simply click on this ads, and from here you'll have to scroll down and find the options like delete advertising ID. So simply click on this, and here you have to click on this delete advertising ID. So simply tap on it. Okay, so the advertising ID has been deleted. So you might not be provided an ad from your Google to your phone. So after that, on step 2, you will have to change your DNS settings for blocking the ads on your Android phone. So simply, again, you have to go for your settings and you have to search here for DNS. Okay, so you have to type your DNS and go for the options like private DNS. Okay, so after that you'll have to click on this private DNS option. So you have to click on this private DNS provider host name. So simply click on it, and here you have to give this URL. So like it's dns.adguard.com. So simply you have to add this URL on your private DNS provider. Simply you have to add this and click on this save option. So we have changed the private DNS of our system, and also we have delete the advertising ID of our Google account. So this solution might help to stop ads on your Android phone. So hope this video was helpful to you. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon over there. Thank you for watching this video.